Good morning, guys. I'm coming to you from San Diego, California. I'm here at Old Town San Diego. We're going to do a little shopping, probably grab a bite to eat here or there, and just check the place out. All right, let's go make some memories.
I know, it doesn't make sense.
There's lots of cool stuff here. Lots of cool stuff. If you're into shopping, this is definitely a cool spot to come to. Wow, it's a nice little market here. I like the sign. That's cool. Who's this guy? Hey, buddy. How's it going? This here says original foundation. 1853, the stone pilings in this archaeological excavation were part of the original build in 1853. That's pretty cool. Purses. There's a bunch of stuff around here. Let's go see what's down here. Let's go see what's down the steps. Let's go explore. This is cool. It feels like you're in like just the way the feel of this place is really cool. Leather depot. You can tell some of these buildings are old. What's this one? Gems. Gems, rocks, fossils, jewelry. Yeah, Old Town San Diego's got a lot of shops. Sorry. A lot of shops, a lot of restaurants. Nice place to just go out and explore. Cool. I like these old maps. World maps. So right now we are right there. And in a few days I gotta drive all the way back to the middle of Florida. Whew. It was a pretty easy drive out. Just took a couple of days. It wasn't bad. The only bad thing we had was a little bit of bad weather, but for the most part it was a pretty easy trip. That's already like the second or third set of restrooms that I found, so it's good to know they have a bunch of those. Okay, on this site right here is the birthplace of the San Diego Union in 1868, the oldest daily in Southern California. So it was like a daily paper, and this is where it used to be located, this printing office. Pretty cool. Right here it has it. Pioneer Newspaper of California, October 10th, 1968. The print shop, that's pretty cool. And then over here's the front side of the Miners Gems place. I recorded that from the back side just a little bit ago, you saw. And here's kind of general area. Which way did they go? This is pretty cool. Little back hallway back here with some art. These murals are pretty cool.
These are the old town murals.
Just more shopping. Lots of shopping here. Lots of shopping. Ooh. San Francisco 49er Lucha Libre. That's my team. Alright, so we're still here in Old Town, doing some more shopping. We're about to eat lunch someplace. We'll see where we go. I guess we're eating at Casa de Maria. See how it is. We'll see how it is, see what we have for lunch, and we'll let you know. Is it good? Entertainment here while we dine. Alright, so we just finished eating at Casa de Maria. We just got some nachos and some rice and beans and a quesadilla, and we kind of split everything, all of us that were here. And the food was okay. It wasn't the best Mexican food I've ever had, but it was decent. But the thing that was cool was they actually have a guy that was singing back there while we were eating, so that was pretty cool. He had a really good voice. He was playing instruments and very good. But no, it was just okay. I thought it was a little overpriced. It was probably because of the area. I mean, it's Old Town San Diego. Of course, all the restaurants are probably going to be pricier. But overall, it was good. And onward to the next stop here.
Got a letter.
I found this church over here. It says Catholic Church of the Immaculate Conception. There's the sign. And that's what the church looks like. There's some other shops on the other side of the street. So far I've come across more shops and restaurants than anything. It says Sarah Gift Shop. Some artwork that's here. It just says in loving memory of Carmen Sarah Toigo. This was one of the restaurants that we saw. We didn't eat here, we just saw Chi-Chi's. I don't think it's connected to the Chi-Chi's chain. And up here there's some signs. It says 1769 First Mission, 1848 was California. Let's see what else we got over here. I gotta go see what this is. Some stuff on the other side, Old Town Saloon over there. I like the sign here, historic US Highway 101. And then up here it says historical landmark, the Whaley House. I'm gonna pop up here and see what, it looks like there's a placard on the front of the house, the Whaley House here. I'm gonna see what it says. It says general store. Let's see. Just talks about the Whaley House, how it was restored. It says it was built by Thomas Whaley in 1856. This is the oldest brick structure in Southern California. It was, in addition to being the home of the Whaley family, it served variously as a granary, a store, a courthouse, that's interesting, and a school, and the town's first theater. Wow. Whaley's home was the cultural center of San Diego, as well as its most most luxurious residence. Over here is a New Orleans Creole Cafe. It's kind of interesting to be in Old Town San Diego, but it is. This is the back of the Whaley House. And there's another little brick building back here, not sure what it is. Old style well here for water. The old style. This is a San Diego Cake Company. Fred's Tequila, Te Amo Tequila. Interesting. On the other side, it's a Cafe Coyote. We heard some good stuff about Cafe Coyote. The tile work and then the flames up at the top. I kind of like that. Interesting. Some more stores. I didn't read up on Old Town San Diego before I came here, so I don't really know what there is that's here. Right here's Miguel's Cocina. I know there's several Miguel's locations around the San Diego area. We're actually planning on eating there later on this trip, a day or two for dinner. We'll have to let you know how it is. Yeah, there we go, right between the trees. It's the Hacienda Hotel. And it's got the tile work on the steps, the Spanish style of tile work there. Going up. Some tile work right there of a fountain, which is interesting. Yeah, pretty cool old hotel here. I don't know when it dates back to, but it has an old look to it at least. There's an olive oil company over here. Looks like this is the road splits here. I'm gonna hop over this way and then start working my way back a little bit. I know we passed some of this stuff driving in. I don't know exactly how far everything goes, but car's parked on the other side of town, so I'm gonna head back. Look at this guy over here.
Well, the whole time I was there, I never touched the roof. I remember making a note of that because before I worked at UDG, I did so many.
He's shooting on his butt. And then these other guys are shooting here. Back at him, the sheriff.
Yeah.
Huh. Just outside of one of the restaurants here. Alright, let's see.
Right, but just not a whole lot.
outside of the San Diego's Best, they got they got a Zoltar. Zoltar. Hello, Zoltar. Zoltar's $1 and I don't have $1 on me. I'm not gonna break change for that. I wonder what he'd tell me was my fortune anyway. Oh wow, at the Cafe Coyote place the lady was making, it looked like the desserts. The sopapillas, or I'm not quite sure how you say it. The ones that kind of look like little pillows. She was actually making them right there. And there was a lady just there. I think she was making tamales or something. This is the Old Town Mexican Cafe. They've got outdoor seating, but all their chairs are pushed up. Maybe at dinner time they lower them once they get busy enough. This is just the main street here in Old Town San Diego. Is giving you a little bit of a walking tour. Plus it'll help me get my 10,000 steps today. Can't complain about that. To all you Adam the Woo fans out there, there's a classic car alert, an old Cadillac. Wow, look at that caddy. That is nice. That is really nice. Cadillac Coupe de Ville. And then on the other side you've got a nice Mercedes. Two nice cars, different, and there's a BMW. Followed by another BMW. You can tell we're in California, there's some cars. There's a little storyboard here. It says Old Time San Diego and it has a timeline. Talking about all the way back from pre-1542 all the way through 2003. If you want to read it, I guess pause on your screen right now and you can try to read it and zoom in, I hope. Maybe on a big screen TV, which is what we hope how you enjoy us anyway. Watch us with the family. Another little thing that I found here. Father Antonio Ubach. This is outside the Old Town Market Festival Marketplace. And this gentleman that you see here is Don Antonio Aguirre. He was a San Diego merchant and ranchero. So here's a little guide and a map of Old Town San Diego. It's definitely a big area. We never saw this, the plaza. We never made it to the plaza. Shoot. We never made it that far. Huh. And it says tunnel to parking up here. I didn't see that either. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. I know it's kind of not one of our typical vlogs. It's just kind of like a little overview of the area. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. And if you're subscribed to the channel, thank you. If not, hit that button down below. Hit that like button if you like this kind of video, you like watching us travel. Leave us a comment down below as well. We try to answer each and every one of them. And we will see you soon.